If you're new to my channel, this is Living in Northeast Los Angeles. I do open house property tours for buyers looking to buy real estate in Northeast LA, Silver Lake and Los Feliz, East LA, adjacent San Gabriel Valley, Alhambra areas. They're pretty much connected and within miles of each other, or even sometimes if you cross the street, you'll be in a different neighborhood. Today's open house was scheduled for El Sereno, and it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with 1,606 square feet of living space. This home is in an R1 zone, so it's a single family residence, and it was built in 1942. So come with me to another open house video, this time in El Sereno, Northeast Los Angeles. Usually at this point, getting closer to an open house, you would see street signs with directions pointing. I didn't see any directional signs. So what we're gonna do is I want to show you Ascot Hills. It's a beautiful park in El Sereno with some amazing views. I was gonna take you to an open house, so instead, I'm so glad this is available for people to come up here and see how beautiful the city is and the neighborhood. It's just, look at that view. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a photo. Okay, here we go. Let's see, it is 12:17. Let's see how many minutes it takes me. Yeah, 12:17.
2,000 years later.
It's easier. There's Dodger Stadium. 12:18. Look at that. I don't know why I made it up this little hill. Very steep. See that. There's a house for sale, and we'll drive by. I'm sure it sold for over $1 million. It was listed like at $900,000. It's probably an escrow. It's at the bottom of those towers. I'm pretty sure it sold already. So we'll drive. Oh no, I can't drive by. I saw there's construction. Let's point out what is far out in the distance. Okay, so we could see Central, oh no, that's Wilshire. That's Wilshire, or like K-Town, all those buildings leading to Beverly Hills. And then Dodger Stadium. Too bad we can't see the Hollywood sign. But this is amazing. I believe that's Torrance. It's like Long Beach over there. And then, oh my goodness, we still have to go down. We still have to go down. There's the St. Thomas Bridge, Long Beach. And then, all right, Woodrow Wilson, it's a high school. I wonder if they still have a magnet center. Let's enjoy the view. Ah! My phone fell. I don't want to be annoying, so let's just enjoy the view. Alright, we're halfway. Here we go. Probably a good workout if you don't have a lot of time. Just walk up this hill with the other lady that was going up before me. She walked up backwards like halfway. Art Munoz, calling you. Well, Sereno is my hometown. I was raised here. I was born in East LA, raised here. I've left like over almost 30 years ago, and I still love the neighborhood. It's expensive though. LA is just so expensive. If you're thinking about having a picnic, you can go over there. Imagine a band playing here, like a festival. ESP divided by 3, or what is that, times 3 over 3? So if you cross out the 3 by the ESP, turns into 1. So what does X equal? This is nice. I think I saw a video of somebody doing a workout here. If you've driven by or heard of this place, I see a lot of people doing social media, like they discovered this place, and it's nice that you come here and you take care of the park. It's a beautiful park. It's a beautiful day here in Sereno. Thanks for watching.